Hey everyone! If you're just starting out with Python, you might be wondering, what are the must-know libraries I should learn first? Well, I've got you covered. Today I'll walk you through my top 5 essential Python libraries for beginners, with real examples to make it stick. Grab your keyboard, let's dive in. First up, if you ever wanted to work with numbers, lists, or do any kind of math in Python, NumPy is your best friend. With NumPy, you can easily create massive arrays and do complex calculations with just one line of code. For example, need to add 2 lists of numbers together? NumPy makes it as easy as typing. Real-world use case? Data scientists use NumPy every day for crunching numbers in big datasets, like analyzing temperatures or stock prices. Next is, think of Pandas as your super-powered spreadsheet in Python. It lets you load data, clean it up, and explore it without ever leaving your code. For example, you can read in a CSV file, like a list of your favorite movies, and instantly filter, sort, and summarize that data. Pandas is a must if you want to do anything with data, from school projects to professional data analysis. Third on my list, data is cool, but pictures are cooler. Matplotlib lets you turn your numbers into stunning charts and graphs, so you can actually see what's going on. For example, let's say you have a list of your daily steps. One line of code with Matplotlib, and boom, you've got a line chart showing your progress. It's perfect for science fair projects, reports, or just tracking your hobbies. Fourth, let's talk about ever wanted to grab information from the internet, like pulling weather data or cat facts into your Python app? Requests makes this super simple. You just write a single line, and you can talk to almost any website or API. A real-world example, building a program that fetches the latest news headlines straight into your terminal. And finally, if you want to build your own website or web app, Flask is the perfect starting point. It's simple, lightweight, and you can get a Hello World web page running in minutes. Imagine showing your friends a site you built with Python. Flask is how a lot of real web developers get their start before moving to bigger frameworks. So to recap, start with for math, for data, for charts, for the internet, and for web apps. Master these, and you'll be unstoppable as a Python beginner. If this helped you, and you want more beginner-friendly Python guides, make sure to subscribe now. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.